The Z2110BG is an indoor-outdoor pan-tilt zoom camera with 10x optical and 10x digital zoom. It is capable of a full 360-degree pan and 95 degrees of tilt action. When you receive your camera, you will get the camera, a 12-volt DC power supply, camera mounting bracket, connection cable with video, power, and RS-485 ends, instruction manual, mounting screws and caps. The camera features a 1/4-inch super head image sensor and views images through a 3.8 to 38mm lens, featuring a 360-degree pan, 90-degree tilt, and a 0.7 lux. The camera features a 10x optical and 10x digital zoom and is capable of handling up to 127 presets. The camera supports Pelco D and Pelco P and features RS-485 connections, BNC video connections, and uses a 12-volt DC power supply. To begin setup, remove the dome by unscrewing the dome cover. The dip switches are located on the side of the camera. The first 4 are set to protocol. Typically, you will address your camera for Pelco D, a baud rate of 9600, and an address of 1. To do this, the first 4 dip switches will be off, and the 8 dip switches for the address will be 1 on, 2 through 8 off. Once the dip switch is set, the corresponding settings must be changed within the DVR. To do this, go to the main menu, Devices, PTZ. Change the settings under the column of the channel that the camera will be connected to. In this case, Pelco D 9600 and an address of 1. Make sure to turn your cruise on. Connect the wires into the RS-485 ports. Use 2 distinctly marked wires as the positive and negative. Connect the wires to the RS-485 connection coming out of the camera. Then, connect the RS-485 connection into the DVR. For the 2110, the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Plug the BNC video connections into the DVR input chosen when making the settings in the DVR. Next, plug in the supplied 12-volt DC power adapter to the wall and into the camera. To set a cruise for your camera, double-click on the camera screen to make the PTZ camera full screen. Right-click with your mouse to get the menu drop-down and select PTZ to bring up the PTZ GUI. Using the arrows and zoom buttons, get your camera to the first preset. Select the time you'd like the camera to stay at the point and hit set. Repeat this process for every stop point you would like. When you are finished, hit save. Once you have saved, exit the PTZ GUI. To start a cruise, right-click with your mouse and select Start Cruise. The camera will go to its first stop point and move through all of the set stop points. To stop the cruise, right-click and hit Stop Cruise.